Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warranty-Wise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151. Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Focus Zetec for a little test drive. Clutch and first gear feel great, slips into first gear very easily there, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. 6-speed gearbox on this one, it's going through all the gears very nicely. Gearbox feels really good, clutch feels great. Brakes feel smooth, steering feels good. So yep, car's driving exactly as it should, which is superb. Ford Focus is a really good drive, enjoyable to drive, handle really well. This 1.6 diesel engine is great, it's very cheap road tax, low emissions, silly miles per gallon, so really great engine, and it's also powerful, nippy. Now this particular Zetec has got loads of factory fitted upgrades, so you've got tinted rear windows, you've got the sat nav here, 17-inch alloy wheels, power folding door mirrors, electric windows in the back, front and rear parking sensors with also park assist, so the car can actually parallel park itself, which is very spooky when you do that, but it's great for getting into tight parking spots. You also get DAB radio as standard, as well as Bluetooth for mobile phone, hands-free and audio streaming. Also got FM and AM radio, CD player, auxiliary input, USB port, so loads of different ways to connect your music. Air conditioning as you'd expect, electric wing mirrors, so yeah, really nice specification. Also got a lovely leather multifunction steering wheel here, so it's just a great example. We've done 59,000 miles. Here we are back at High Auto. Go. So I hope that's been useful for you. Thank you for watching, take care, and bye for now.